I'm going to talk a little bit about the glycemic index today. Originally designed for diabetics to help maintain their blood glucose levels. However, it can be used for weight loss. And here's how you do it. You choose foods on the lower end of the glycemic index. And in doing that, the slower the body's blood sugar response is going to be to that particular food that you're taking in. Now, during and after a workout, you want to eat foods that are higher on the glycemic index to restore the glycogen or carbohydrates back in the body and provide the muscles with energy. So, weight loss, we want to choose foods on the lower end. After a workout or during, we want to choose those foods on the higher end of the glycemic index to focus on restoring and repairing.